In the year 2016, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik laid the foundation for Skilled in Odisha. Taking the state ITI's vocational, life skills and digital skilling to the forefront of the national education landscape. In a short span of 3 years, Odisha's Aswastho Narayan won the first ever gold for India at the 45th World Skills Competition, signaling the transformation in technical and vocational education in India. This provided the momentum to the vision of the World Skills Centre, a state-run premier institute for advanced skilling. A collaboration forged between Odisha Skill Development and world-class partners like Asian Development Bank and ITEES Singapore. With the target of training 151,000 youths of Odisha, the investment is projected at a stupendous 1,342.2 crore rupees. World Skill Centre has been designated to operate along with the state ITIs and polytechnic colleges in a hub-and-spoke manner, with a clear pursuit of bringing more gold in skilling for India, training the trainers for ITIs, industry-ready digital skilling, life skills to prepare future leaders, nano unicorn or entrepreneurship training, response to innovating products for COVID-19, increasing the share of girl trainees, and digital content creation for virtual learning. Training will be conducted in a blended format in 8 niche areas: mechanical and electrical services, refrigeration and air conditioning, vertical transport, mechatronics, electric technology, precision engineering, hair and fashion design, beauty and wellness. In its full capacity, World Skill Centre will deliver 3,000 students each year. To support this ecosystem, a 4-week-long technical training in Singapore and virtual pedagogical training was imparted by ITEES. All this has manifested into a state-of-the-art campus in the heart of the state capital, Bhubaneswar. Spread across an area of 450,000 square feet, WSC is the tallest building in all of Odisha, featuring a helipad, earthquake-resistant structure, carbon wrapping and mechanical enforcement for strength, with proximity to Mancheswar Industrial Hub and ease for travel via air, rail and bus terminals. The World Skill Centre, Bhubaneswar, is heralding a new age of industry preparedness.